Okay, so continuing to the contours, I just made a plane similar to before. Before that, I'm just gonna download the height map from Google. You could just get the height map whichever you want. You could even search on the Google Photos, but there's this website Diagram. You could search on this one, whichever location you desired. In this height map, the white areas shows a terrain like the highest point. More the white, the highest it is, and the black areas shows like the lowest point. Like this black line shows the kind of a river, and you could just render it and download it to your desired file location. Moving on to these, I'm just going to go to the modifier list, type displays. Displays option would pop up from bitmap. It's not chosen. You could click on it and file menu will open and you could just choose that map. Now, right now you can't see anything, but once you choose it and change the strength to a bit more, as you can see on the right and left side, like in the elevation, it changes a bit. Probably needs a bit more strength. Yep, this looks quite good. Yeah, so this is how we could actually make a terrain exactly like uh, exactly from like not exactly but almost like the Google, almost like the Earth. Yep. So we're just changing the strength right now. This is like pretty easy way to get the contours on terrain from the Google and just dragging the map into this. Now I'm just gonna make this. I already have the contour lines. You could get the contour lines from the AutoCAD or make it yourself and change the height accordingly. Now I'm just going to select this and go to the object type and the compound objects, choose terrain, and this is what we could get. If there are more contour lines, it would be more detailed, but right now I just made it to show that this is also the another thing that you could try to make the contour. Hmm. Thank you for watching.